At Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling, we go above and beyond to keep your family comfortable by providing our clients with not only exceptional customer service and the best quality products, but also back our repairs and installations with unbeatable True Comfort warranties. These warranties consist of our True Comfort Lifetime Repair Guarantee and our True Comfort 15 years Parts and Labor Warranty. What is our True Comfort Lifetime Repair Guarantee? If you pay for a recommended repair, it should be guaranteed for life. That's our opinion, and we stand behind it. We guarantee our recommended repairs for the lifetime of the system. All of our Comfort Club members pay only once and have peace of mind knowing you will never have to pay for that repair again. What is our True Comfort 15-year Parts and Labor Warranty? You're trusting us with one of the most important investments in your home, and we take that very seriously. When our Comfort Club members install a new Trane system, we extend their parts and labor warranty for 15 years. That's right, 15 years. We use the most reliable brands on the market, top quality materials, and highly trained technicians, giving you peace of mind knowing that you've made the right choice.